I'm really about to blow up on this platform without looking like I'm trying. It's because I'm dope. Like, I'm him. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people are trying to look pretty, put on makeup, do all this stuff, thumbnail, title. Because they not him, they not her. I ain't gotta do that because I'm him. When you realize who you are, you will stop doing things like everybody else because you're not like everybody else. What's gonna make this channel blow up is the fact that I don't care. Like, I'm just sitting here looking at all my videos that got scheduled up for the next month, and I'm just like, bro, I got so much knowledge, and I was really holding this back to fit in with y'all, bro. I'm not y'all, bro. I'm me. And my tribe is going to find me. This is the reminder for you, whoever you are. Stop looking around for all these gadgets. Stop looking around for all this approval. If you know who you are and you figured out what you're meant to do, stop letting other, for lack of better words, BS get in the way of you just getting it out there. My biggest fear is not getting all my content out there before I die, bro. So, you know, like what, like, and this is also a request if I ever die early, like, please go through my Google Drive with all my videos that I have that haven't been edited, or I really don't edit, but haven't been put on YouTube. Please put them out. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got so much in this noggin. Please go on my phone and just post them. Bro, you're so dope, but you're not putting it out there because you're afraid of not having all the resources, but the only resource you need is you. Once you realize you're him, once you realize you're her, or whatever your pronouns are, you don't need their approval, and you don't need to do it like they do it, because guess what? You got something that they don't got. You got you. Nobody can move around and talk on the mic, oopsie, like me. So why do I need to do the things that everybody else does? Instead, do the one thing that nobody does, and that's what's going to make you successful. Bro, I'm really a goofy dude, bro, and I was holding that back because I was like, you know what? I do this, and bro, just post. Just post. Stop caring. And the thing is, the people that are meant to follow you, subscribe to you, whatever, they gonna like it when you're goofy, weird, just being you. They not gonna want the suit and tie stuff, bro. Stop wearing a suit and tie and just wear the white t-shirt, you feel me? Like, that's my biggest advice for content creators. Stop freaking, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's my TED Talk. I was just looking at my YouTube studio, and I got 30, 40 videos, and I really could post like 2 times a day. I got that much content because I stopped trying to suit and tie so I have more content because I say what's on my mind. Not what they think is ready and what the SEO is saying it's time to write and all this stuff. I did that stuff for years, bro. SEO, thumbnails, titles, and it's like, bro, I know in my head I got something dope. Let me let it out there. If they don't rock with it, guess what? They weren't for me in the first place. But when they find me, when that one video blow up and they go and look at my other ones, they gonna know I'm him. And then I ain't gotta, you know what I'm saying? So stop. Y'all get the point, bro. Like, comment, subscribe or not. Notifications or not. I have fun being goofy me on this video. This wasn't even meant to be posted on YouTube. I just wanted to document how, like, hilarious this is. But I'm going to post this joint to show how much I don't care. But yeah, y'all be yourselves, man. That's the key to everything else in life. Peace. Awkward.